What's up, everybody? It's Eli here again. Time to move on to a new illustration. This week I'm going to do three illustrations. Three smaller illustrations, three smaller action scenes. One will be a portrait of Poseidon with his blade pointing menacingly towards our protagonist. And this is the portrait of Poseidon that I'm going to use as a model for Poseidon. In order to preserve continuity, I always try to use the same portrait for each and every one of my characters in the book so that they all look the same when you're drawing different illustrations of them. And then I take, here's a portrait of my Stymphalian birds. These are the garish creatures who attack the maiden in my children's story. Kind of looks like a bad trip, huh? So, because I'm drawing also a battle scene, I also wanted to use some Da Vinci drawings. This is a drawing attributed to Peter Paul Rubens. It says artist unknown Peter Paul Rubens. So I don't know if it's a Rubens, but it looks like they were modeled after Da Vinci. And when I draw the scrum, the battle scene, I think this is the model that I'm going to use. I really like this illustration. This one's pretty good too. I'm going to probably do a cross between these two. So, as I always do when starting out, I just do a quick sketch. So here's Poseidon with the menacing blade. Here is Queen Hippolyta, the Amazon warrior queen, and Theseus riding into battle. And here's an earlier scene with Poseidon, Stymphalian Bird, and Theseus on horseback. The horse whinnying and shrieking violently back here. So those are three small sketches. It's Tuesday now. I should be able to finish all three by the end of the weekend. And I started with this sketch here, and then I moved on to this sketch here. And I'm pretty psyched with how that came out. Came out pretty good. It's coming out good. Now I'm going to begin to draw a little bit more in here. Let me take my coat off here. Comfortable here. Just came in from the outside. And I'm going to begin to draw this guy. Sorry about that. Got these nice new light bulbs over here. I'm going to go in here with the hunter green for Poseidon's hair. Just lay down a nice vibe here. It's all about just laying the vibe down, putting that framework together. Art is a process. It takes so long sometimes. It's kind of what's so gratifying about it, though. Just get in there and you lay it down. Oops, sorry. Good portion of this will be rubbed out, but it's just, or rubbed in, I should say. But it's just the first step, you know. Beethoven's so brilliant. Amazing. All right, so we've got this guy as our model. And, you know, I keep a close eye on this guy to make sure this guy looks like this guy. I'm going to do some more drawing on this, and then, you know, gonna pretty much just do another update and let you guys know how it came out. Pretty psyched about this. It's gonna be good. It's like angry Poseidon as a quasi-samurai warrior or something. It's gonna be good. So this is Eli for the Maiden Voyage signing off. Peace to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.